for the winner by unanimous decision, Navajo Stirling!
He toa mata kaikutu a Navajo Stirling. I te ao o te UFC.
He's meant to be there. I think it was the perfect first fight, and I think that's exactly what he needed, was just time in the cage.
Ko Navajo Stirling tērā I piti I a Tuco Tokkos ki tāna whawhau UFC tuatahi ki Tampa, Florida. E kore tōna tuakana a Shaquille e tai atu. Heoi e poho kukupa ana te Whānau.
It's still surreal, still crazy. We're messaging each other in a family group chat, and I know Dad's loving it, and I'm glad that he went actually. Yeah, Dad is absolutely proud. It's just cool to see their relationship grow over the years.
He wewehi te rārangi Wikitoria a Stirling. Kare anō ia kia hinga I roto I tēnei wāhanga o te whakataetai nei. E ono ngā winitanga a e whā mā te horotete. Ko roa nei te wā mai tāna hingatanga whakamutunga no te tau 2019 ki te whakataetai o King in the Ring.
The one thing that really impressed me with his UFC debut was his patience. He'll do it, you know, he's got the right team around him. He's got not just, you know, these world-class quality coaches, he's got the teammates, the camps. You know, City Kickboxing is one of the best gyms in the world. We're looking at a potential 3 to 4 title fights in 2025, everything going to plan.
Ko Carlos Alberg tētahi atu kai whawhai I roto I te wāhanga o rite. A e manako ana kia tuki e nei toki kia rau anō.
I find this quite an exciting prospect because we've got so much talent from Aotearoa going to the UFC now that this can start to happen. We see Americans v Americans, we see Brazilians versus Brazilians, and the sport is growing here. So, you know, at some point they possibly could meet. The light heavyweight division isn't a very deep one in terms of its, you know, volume of fighters.
I know in due time that he'll get there. He'll reach the top 5, and the rest will take care of itself. So you just got to stay tuned.
He ingoa kitea I te wāhanga light heavyweight o te tau 2025. Ka mutu ko tōna manako, ka whakapiki tonu ia I ana pukenga kia kapo I te aroaro o te Maria. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.